Hello everybody, welcome back to Spooktacular. Today we're going to do an easy Scarecrow look because I messed up my skin. I went in with some latex yesterday and it irritated my skin really bad. Right now my face feels like leather. It is so dry and I have like so many wrinkles that it's forming. It's horrible. Right now, I currently have a bunch of lotion sitting on my face and I'm hoping that it will fix it, but I'm not sure. It's still burning really bad, so yeah, I thought today I would just do a really simple, easy Scarecrow look. I went in with this wig because I did not feel like doing anything to my hair today. So I put this wig on, and what I wanted to do is I wanted to do pigtails, but it did not work out at all. So instead I just went and braided each side of my hair, and then I just kind of pulled it back. And yeah, I know that the hairline doesn't look real or anything. I was trying to cut off the top of my head so you guys didn't have to see it, but yeah, you see it. So what I'm doing is I'm going in with my base makeup first. I went in with some priming oil, and then I went and started to do my eyes. I primed my eyes before getting started because I wanted the black to really pop, and as you can see here, the black is not really popping. I'm using this Wet n Wild pencil, I don't even know, jumbo pencil I guess you call it, and I'm blending it out, and it's just not giving me the pigment that I want, but I do go in with a black eyeshadow a little bit later. And yeah, I wanted to do my eyes first because I did not want the shadow to fall and then I have to clean that up on top of my foundation and then have to redo my foundation because my skin it hurts so bad. And you guys can see like in the corner of my eye like how bad it really is. Like my face is so swollen right now because of the latex. I don't know if my face was, I don't know if I'm allergic to latex or if what the issue is, but yeah, it was horrible yesterday. My face was beet red. So what I did is I went in with this orange eyeshadow. I got the eyeshadow from I think a Profusion eyeshadow palette, and then I just took more of that black jumbo pencil and I went in my waterline and right underneath my lashes so then I could kind of smoke it out. I wanted to do like a really glamorous kind of Scarecrow, but I knew with my skin how bad it was today. I knew whatever kind of eye look that I did, it just wouldn't turn out right. So instead I just went for like a traditional kind of fall looking Scarecrow. As I'm putting this foundation on my skin, you guys, it was burning. It hurt so bad. I almost stopped, but I really want to continue on with these Halloween looks because I'm having a lot of fun doing them and I love to challenge myself, and so far I'm doing good, so I had to just keep going. I went in with some concealer, and I would not recommend doing the black underneath your lash line, your bottom lash line, and then going in with concealer because it's really hard. So if I would have did this, if I did this again, I would do the concealer and then go in with the black underneath the waterline. I got it to work and it looks fine, but it would just be a lot easier doing it in reverse. Now I'm going in with my eyebrows and just filling them in. This whole time, as you guys can see, the netting of the wig yeah, it was a whole issue today. I was having a lot of problems, but this entire time as I was editing this video, I'm like, my face looks so white, and it's literally my ring light that's washing my face out, because I'm telling you guys right now, my face is not white, it is red. But it's just crazy, like, watching back the footage and seeing how white my face looks on camera. I'm like, geez, that's a lie. So right here, I'm going in with 2 different shadows for the blush. I did not know if I wanted to use the same shadow as my eyeshadow or this pinkier looking one, but I decided to go with the orange because I liked how it just kind of tied in with my eyeshadow. And now I'm going in with the smallest, tiniest, like, precise brush I have, and I'm picking up some brown eyeshadow, and I'm just making some freckles. The one thing that I did find out is, okay, like, don't do what I'm doing. It looks like I'm making like shapes on my face. You don't want to do that. But my face was hurting really bad at this point, so I was just trying to get them on. One thing that I would do is make sure that you do it straight. There's a couple of them that were kind of on an angle and it didn't look as good. So, and then afterwards I would go in and kind of tap it out some and to tone it down a little bit. But I'm just not feeling good, you guys. And then I went in to do my nose. So when I did it, I filled it in, everything, and then I erase it. You guys will see. I take it off because I wanted to make it a little bit bigger. Right there. You seen the look on my face. I did not like it. So I just literally used my beauty sponge and wiped it off. And then I just went in. If I would do this look again, I would definitely make it even bigger, but this time I was okay with it. And then I just filled it in again with the orange shadow that I used on my cheeks and my eyes. And now I'm just going in with the stitching, and I'm using some black face paint, and I'm just drawing them on. Again, if I did this again, I would use a liquid liner because the brushes are a lot smaller and I think it would look 100 times better. I'm going in, I'm filling in my bottom lip completely, and then the top lip, I'm just filling in a little bit of it, hardly anything, because I don't want it to see that I have a lip. I just want it to have a little bit of black up there. And then I'm going in with these stitches on the mouth. So the first one's going to be the biggest, and then they're going to get smaller as they go towards my ear. And then the line that I'm doing is the thickest at my lips, and then as it gets towards my ear, it's going to get thinner. And then I'm just going to go in with some stitching on my lips too. When I was looking at myself after I was done, I was just like not liking the look. So I was like, okay, we got to get some lashes on and see if it changes it. Again, I would have probably went in with something a little bit bigger of lashes just to make my eyes pop a little bit more. But I was pretty satisfied with them, to be honest, but I would go in a little bit bigger. And I think the reason why I didn't like my eyeshadow as much is because one of my eyes is hooded, so I should have brought the black liner up, or the black shadow up a little bit higher, and then I think I would have liked it more. So here I'm going in to make some patches on my forehead. I'm going to be doing one big box, and then I'm going big square, and then another one on top of it. I would have did the top one a little bit bigger, but I didn't feel like erasing it. And this is blurry for some reason, and I have no clue why, because I keep looking at the camera and you think I would notice it. So I have to change the settings on my camera so it doesn't do autofocus, because it kind of messes everything up. Then I just went in with some red and black, and then I did some black line for the stitching, and then I'm going over with some white to highlight it. And this is the final look. I'm hoping my skin will be better tomorrow so I can bring you guys another video. Bye!